Hi, this is Marie Papashatis. I'm the makeup junkie, and today I'm doing my first makeup tutorial. I'd like to do runway to real wear makeup. I don't like to do fancy makeup because I believe that most women don't wear real fancy makeup. So what I did today is I did half of my face. I did my lip liner, I did my foundation, I did a little bit of contouring, and I did one of my eyes. Unfortunately, I did the eye that tends to water, and as you can see, I did one of my eyes, and I'm going to do the other eye for you, okay? So hold on real quick here. I like it. And I'll show you what I use for foundation. What I did for foundation is I did Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation in 10NN. It's a little light on my face, but it looks light, but it matches my neck, as you can see. And for contouring, I did Fenty Beauty India Sun. That's the lightest one they make, and it's a perfect bronzer for me because I'm very, very pale. And for my lips, I did ColourPop Overtime Lip Liner, which is a real red. And I'm going to apply Black Moon Cosmetics, their matte lip color in DeVille, and it's a real pretty red. I'll show you how I apply it right here. It's very pigmented, as you can see. It goes on really nicely. Isn't that a gorgeous red? Oh, I think it's a gorgeous red. It's perfect for this time of year for the holiday season. And you just need one coat, and that's it. I have a little bit of powder under my eyes, and that's to catch any fallout for the eyeshadow that may fall down. I'd like to do my foundation first. That was the way I learned to do makeup when I was little, for my mother. And so I do my foundation first, and then I do my eyes last, usually. It's kind of weird. I do my foundation first, then my cheeks, then my lips, then my eyes. So I kind of do it a little backwards to most people. And now I'm going to do, and for my cheeks, I did Kylie Crush Blush, and Kylie Pressed Blush Powder in Crush. And then for my highlight, up here, you can see I did Ofra All Glowed Up, and I used the color, this color right here, this little gold color right here, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply, I've got to apply the blush to my other side of my face. I have to do the blush to my other side of my face, because I only did one side of my face, so. You start lightly, you can always add more. Okay, looks like a lot, but I'm going to tone it down with my powder brush. Where did my powder brush go? Oh, I gotta... This is my first time doing a tutorial, so I'm a little nervous. And I'm adding the highlighter. I already added highlighter and contour on my nose and my Cupid's bow and my chin. Okay. Now, let's do my eyes. Let's do my eye. Okay. Today I'm using the Kylie pressed powder palette from her holiday collection that she put out this year at Ulta. And I'm doing in my crease, I'm doing Candy Heart, which is the real pink shade. And then I'm doing Almond in my crease. And I'm doing Love Bug in my on my upper lids there. And then I'm doing Martini Mama under my brow. So it's a real bright pink. Now I have very hooded eyes, so, and I don't usually do cut crease because it wouldn't really work on my eyes. A cut crease doesn't do well. I mean, I have very hooded eyes, as you could see, so I kind of have to create a deep crease for myself. As you can see, so I do that. Okay, we got that one down. Now I've got to do Almond and then transition. And you kind of blend that in. You add it and you try and blend it. I'll blend it with a blender brush too, but you try and blend that in as much as possible. And I'm adding that to the outer corner of my upper lid. You can see there's a little bit of fallout, but that powder up there is going to take that away. And then I'm going to put Candy Heart. Not Candy Heart, I'm going to put, where's my other brush? Oh, here it is. I'm going to put Love Bug. And blend that in with Almond. Okay. And I've got Martini Mama, which goes under my brow. And on the outer corner, in the inner corner of my eye. gotta get rid of all that fallout. I forgot my powder brush. Blend, blend, blend. Okay. Now, I'm going to do my eyeliner. Just the eyeliner. With the eyeliner. Okay, yes. Eyeliner. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, which is a gorgeous eyeliner. I don't do, because it's easier for me to do it from the inside out. I do my wing or my eyeliner from the inside out. Kind of do things backwards. There. It's hard for me to get a winged liner anyway because I have downturned eyes. They don't really do a nice wing anyway. Oh, before I do my mascara, I want to do, don't spray your setting spray and then with mascara on your face, because it'll make your mascara come off and melt. Okay, do my setting spray, let that sit for a couple seconds, and then I'll do my mascara. So far, I'm thinking it looks pretty good. Now I'll do my mascara. This is UD Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, which is a great black. I don't use false eyelashes because they drive me nuts. I wear glasses, and they always hit my glasses. They drive me insane. Like I said, I wear real makeup for real women. I'm not real fancy. I can do fancy makeup if I want to, but I'm not all about that. I'm all about real makeup for real women. Something that, you know, runway makeup that you would find on the runway, but adapted for the real world. Let's see. Now I'll do my left eye. And that's about it. There you go. That's my makeup look for today. That's Marie Seitz, Papa Shutzies. I am the makeup junkie. Thanks.